Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm 23 years old. I've been farming for 2.5 years and I'm now a farm assistant. How I first got into farming, one of my friends had a tractor accident and he said, hey, come milk my cows, and I was like, yeah, okay, I'll give it a go. So I went over and gave it a go. The job involves spraying weeds, fencing, moving stock, dealing with stock. It's just whatever is done for that day, like silage stacking. We've done quite a bit of that. When I left school and decided that I was going to go farming, I did Ag ITO. Animal husbandry is what I'm doing at the moment. Farm job, you get a house, you get meat, you get good bosses. You get quite a bit, like, you know, normal jobs, if you get wet during the day from the rain, you can't go home and get changed, whereas on the farm, you've got that to be able to do it. The most thing I probably love about my job would be the cows. Working with animals is just cool. Hopefully one day in the future I own my own farm, own my own cows and work as myself as my own boss. I'd give the young people going into this sort of work, just take any opportunity you get out there, just do it. My top career tip would be get out there, live life to the fullest, enjoy it while you're still young.